Hey guys, look what came in the mail today, another credit card. So we will dive into it, we will unbox and review this credit card for you. So before we dive into it, give this video a thumbs up, let the YouTube algorithm know it's good. And if you guys have any questions on anything that I talk about in these videos, feel free to leave that in the comment section below and I will get back to you on that. So this is our Discover It card. So it's pretty popular, but there isn't a lot of videos talking about it. So I thought I would unbox this for you so you know what you get in the mail. And also do a review of this, what I think is interesting and good about this card, because there is a lot to talk about this card for zero annual fee. It does offer you a lot of good things. Also, currently there is no sign-up bonus for this, but I have figured out a way to get a $100 sign-up bonus, so I will talk about that in this video as well. So without further ado, let's unbox this.
A few moments later.
All right, you'll see I have not opened this envelope so I could unbox this on camera for you guys and try to give you as authentic of an unboxing experience as possible. Okay, at first we have the card member agreement. Pretty standard, all cards include that in one form or another. If you want to read through this, feel free to pause this video, but I will not go into details of this. Pretty standard legal jargon. Facts. What does Discover Bank do with your personal information? This is where they talk about how they share your information with other companies. Once again, pretty standard. Feel free to pause this video if you want to read that in detail. And there's a phone number if you want to limit their sharing of your information as well. Okay. Okay, everyday purchases just got even easier. Your new contactless Discover card lets you tap to pay. Okay, pretty standard feature these days on most cards. Just talks about how you could tap to pay. You could use the card itself, or you could use the Apple Pay or other mobile apps, or you could just do the good old-fashioned chip. Okay, get to know Discover. You earn, we match. You'll automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. There's no signing up and no limit to how much we'll match. So basically, we will talk about that in a second, but your first year, whatever points you earn, they will just double that for you. And you could use it at Amazon, PayPal, or a gift card. Okay, they will free overnight ship your card if you lose it. You have until midnight to pay. You get a free credit score card with FICO credit score. Okay, and 100% US-based customer service. That's great. And some details on this. Once again, guys, feel free to pause this video. I'll just kind of scroll through this so you're able to pause this video if you want to read that, but I will not spend a lot of time on it. Okay, talks about the Discover It Cashback Bonus, program terms and conditions. Talks about what you can do, but basically it's pretty straightforward. And nothing on the other side. All right, guys, moment of truth. Finally, the card itself. Okay, this is the card. Oh, it has a nice matte feeling to it. Okay, we will take a look at the card in a second. Here's the number you could call to activate, or you could just Go to discover.com/activate. Download the Discover app. We've talked about the contactless payment. Okay, so earn 5% cash back bonus at different places like gas station, grocery stores, etc. So I will put a quick screenshot right here to show you guys what the current 5% category is. And remember, this will double your points for the first year. So if you're earning 5% back and it doubles your points after the first year, you're actually getting 10%. So that's a great deal for the first year. Unlimited 1% cash back for everything else, not a big deal. But if they're doubling it for the first year, once again, you're making 2%. And this is what I was talking about. Cashback match will automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. There's no sign up and no limit to how much will match. Awesome, no limit. So if you got big spends and if it falls within that 5% category and you're doubling that, you could really cash out big on this. Okay, so let's look at the card itself. Let me take off this sticker first. Discover it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I love this matte feeling. Usually credit cards that are shiny looks very cheap, but love the fact that this is matte and there's a change in texture. The Discover It, you guys can see that. I'm trying to change the lighting on it so you guys can see that part is shiny. Hopefully it's coming through in the camera. So this matte and shiny, it's a pretty good contrast. And I also like the fact that there's nothing in front, so that way, makes these unboxing videos, easy for me, so I can show you guys more of the card, but the texture is really good. Hopefully you guys can hear it. So it's matte, love the feeling. But it weighs just as much as a regular credit card would, not any heavier. This is definitely plastic. As you can see, it bends pretty easily. And all the information's at the back. I just flipped it over right now and saw it. The name, the number, the CVV, the expiry, everything. So I'm not gonna show this to you guys, but yeah, everything is at the back. Now, at the beginning of the video, I told you that I will show you guys or discuss how you could earn a sign-up bonus. Because currently, if you go to their website, you'll see that they don't have a sign-up bonus. I found a referral link with which if you apply, you still get the same perks, but you also get $100 just by spending this card once. So there's no amount you have to spend, you just have to use it once within the first 3 months of getting this card, and you get a $100 bonus. So you could be spending just $10 and be getting a $100 bonus. That's more than what you would spend on it. So, but there's a link for it. I'll try to put that link in the description below. That would most likely be an affiliate link. So do check that out. Once again, you still get the same benefits, but you also get that $100 sign-up bonus just by spending any amount within the first 3 months. It could be $1 or $10 or whatever. If I have that link, I will post that in the description below. So check that out and let me know if you guys have any questions or thoughts on this Discover card. Pretty straightforward, but love the texture right here and the way the light plays with it. So I think it's pretty good. I will still say the US Bank credit cards are the best in terms of quality and feel. I've got full unboxing and review videos of those on my channel. Check that out. Those are still the cards to beat in terms of quality and feel. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.